Hi guys, again. We are here at the anong lugar to, te?
Las Vegas.
Hindi.
Vegas.
Serene?
Yeah.
Hindi naman nila
Okay. Never mind. We're going to eat at In-N-Out. In case you didn't know In-N-Out, it's
It's the thing that you go in and out.
it is famous
Famous burger joint, fast food burger joint
yep,
in
in the US.
US.
And we're going to try their food, and they said it's delicious,
So we will let you know how it tastes if it comes to par to our standards.
yes, kasi ang kinakain ko lang burger machine in the Philippines.
Yeah. So they are going to compare Burger Machine versus Burger Machine versus In-N-Out.
Yeah.
Right now we're heading to In-N-Out, so I want them to try In-N-Out. I guess there is Burger Machine, and I want to see the comparison between them two. Which one is better?
Yeah.
So now we're up, bitches. Oh mother. Okay, so now here go. Okay, so right now, as you can see, there's a huge line. Ooh, look at this, peeps! Someone's selling food on the street. It's like on the street, Filipino style. Woo woo!
Meron din sa Philippines yan. Leche flan.
Namimigay siya.
No.
No. Okay, so this is the line for
In-N-Out.
yeah, so this is the line for In-N-Out. As you can tell, it is super long siya.
Blockbuster.
It's like you're going to go shopping. People are going nuts for this burger.
My goodness.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, can I
We
please?
can cut any burger in half.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll have one number 3.
Do you want onions on that?
Yes, please.
Okay.
2 number 2.
Do you want onions on that?
No.
Okay.
And 1 order of French fries.
One extra order of fries?
Yes.
For those
You think
three
that's gonna fit them? 1 order or 2 orders?
Okay lang din.
As long as it is large, ate. The fries.
No. Okay, 1 more order.
Okay, so 5 in total. Okay, and then for those drinks, for those 3 drinks,
I'll have Diet Coke.
Okay.
Or Coke Zero. Do you have Coke Zero?
we do not. We have Diet Coke.
Okay, Diet Coke.
Okay.
What soda do you guys
Do you
want?
have Pepsi products
We have
or
Coke.
oh,
They
Coke?
have Coke product.
Coke lang, ate. Coke.
Just
Diet.
Coke.
Coke for the last two?
Okay.
For the last two?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Diet Coke and Coke.
Two Cokes. Okay, so it's gonna be that hamburger with onions, 2 cheeseburgers, no onion, 5 fries, 1 Diet Coke, and 2 regular Cokes. Will you bring choice in your car today?
Yes.
Okay. That'll be $23.38. First window, please. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Ano daw? Ano daw yung sinabi?
23 so fast. It's so fast.
Ay, binigyo mo.
Can't-
di mo binigyo.
Yeah. It's so fast. I can't even understand what the fuck she said.
Sabi ko, ano yun, kakagulo na sila. Yung pala, naka-order na.
Okay.
2 double doubles, just meat bun. Yep. No. Hamburger with onions, 2 cheeseburgers, no onions, 5 fries.
May
Diet
kulangan
Coke,
siya
and
sa
2
ilong. Yes. Ang laki ng kulangan niya na dito.
Yeah. Bad cut ha.
Extra sauce.
Sa ilong.
Mamaya, Pilipino pala yan. Te.
Oh, and then they understand. So, after you order, this is what you're gonna need to do. You give them the card,
I'll see back for you. I'm
and
ready to
then you pay for your shit. You too, have a good one. And then you pull forward to where you get all your orders. And there you go. So now, East, your job is to really... Hey, how are you?
Diet Coke.
Diet
Do you
Coke.
want a drink carrier?
Sure, please. Thank you so much. So they give you this, so you won't
What's
make
that?
a mess. It's like a placemat,
Ah.
but paper.
Ketchup for your order?
Yes, please.
All right, figure it out. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Here, put this between your legs.
Panyamol, panyamol.
Panyamor, panyamor.
All right, burgers.
Burgers. Look at this burger.
Fries.
French fries.
Did you enjoy your Christmas day?
All right, and then here's our last French fry for you.
Did you enjoy
Okay.
your Christmas day?
I'm sorry.
Lin, welcome.
Do you guys get some stickers already?
No stickers, but
How about
yes.
some stickers?
Okay.
You guys want some stickers?
Yes.
No, there's only one.
There you go. There you go. Sorry.
Thank you so
Of
much.
course. Have a great
Here,
day.
here, you hold your French fries. Okay na, Daddy. Right, Lean. Take a bite. And then describe what you're... Well? Just burger? So what did you get? You got cheeseburger, right? Yeah. Okay. Eggs, what did you get?
Cheeseburger also.
Okay. Take a bite. Well, what do you think, bro?
Good.
It's good? It's better than Burger Machine?
Yes.
From 1 to 10, which one is... Oh, okay. From 1 to 10, which one is better? Like, what score would you give this one?
I rate the In-N-Out 9 out of 10.
I know. What about you, Lynn?
I'm a fan of English burger.
What?
Same lang.
So they got cheeseburger and I got just regular basic beach burger. It's just hamburger with no freaking cheese.